Now, in the first video of this series, we have seen how we can create a text with missing words to make a test with Python, of course. And we made this. You can go check the latest video, and this was the result. This is the original text on the left, and on the right you see the text with the missing words. Okay, and for each letter we get one underscore. What we're gonna do now um, is to make it in HTML. Okay, so that this result mm, will be printed not on the screen like this, just like this, but into an HTML file. So what we are going to do, we are we are going to transform this one into an HTML text, and well, we will not transform anything. We just wanna to um, to go to a function, um, create HTML, and we're gonna insert the text, and we are going to with open and test.html, and in write mode and in encoding equal UTF-8, so the character, there won't be strange character, as file dot write. We are going to write the text that will pass to this function, and we will also return something here. Return file has been written, just as a message. And after this, we want also to to see what we've done. So we want to import the OS operating system module, sorry, and after this we want to os.system, right, and we want to take a look at start plus test.html. So let's see if this works. Okay, and of course I have to go here and create file. Okay, print text. Like with okay, let's run. Okay, create file. It's not defined because it's create HTML. Start is not. Let's put it this way. Okay, here it is, our code. If you wanna print it for your students. Here it is. You can go right click and say print, and you have your test right here. So this is the way I made it very simple and clear. Now if you maybe you want to create also a test with the solution, maybe for you to correct this text or let the pupils to auto correct them, self-correct, I don't know if it's the right word. And what we're gonna do is to just print um, this solution here. So here I could return a text in solution, or I can create I can do add, let's see, okay, let's print here solution equal 0. With solution equal 0, you won't print the solution. Instead, if solution is equal 1, we are going to make an add to the text plus equal solutions, and then text plus equal the solution are just this method, and let's see what happens if we leave just the code like this one, and nothing happens. Right? European Christian tradition. Okay, nothing happens because text plus equal missed. There should be let's do print here text. Let's see why we can't see anything, because if of course because solution is 0, so we don't see nothing. So when we create this, we call this create HTML, we got to pass these arguments and also solution equal 1. Okay, here are our solution, that is Asia, America, and Greek. We could also put here this BR so that it goes to the next line. Here is solution Asia, and we could also make some other, let's say, okay, the B here, and close the tag here that is for bold, and let's see what happens. Here is solutions Asia, America, Greek. Let's make another tiny layout improvement here, solution. Okay, that is more visible. So this is how you can just go there and print the solution. If instead you go here like this, you don't print the solution if you put the 0 flag here. If you want to remember better what this is, you can go and write solutions equal 0, nothing happens, and solutions equal 1. The solution is printed. And that's all for now.